Another day in paradise, just like the one before. The sun is shining, I'm reclining on Pine Island shore. I'm at Woody's waterside in a ragged-ass saloon. I sit at Bert's and have a beer and listen to some tune. Bonita Bill lays anchor off the Parakeet. He digs in and then begins to have a drink with me. Captain Peter Wake comes round, tells the latest story of men at war, captured ships, honor, love, and glory. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn, when the tide is running high and the wind is blowing strong. We'll drink a toast to sunset and sing another song. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn. From the canals of St. James City to the shores of old Key West, Sloppy Joe still steals the show, drinks more than the rest. A pirate comes into the room, a green parrot on his arm. Don't look him in the eye, my friend, he may do you harm. Yeah, the fishermen are lined up on the bridge in Matlacha, and Shrimper John still carries on like back in the day. And I'm behind a Honda, the tide comes high and low. I'm sitting where the schooners were, going with the flow. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn, when the tide is running high and the wind is blowing strong. We'll drink a toast to sunset and sing another song. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn, when the tide is running high and the wind is blowing strong. We'll drink a toast to sunset and sing another song. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn, when the tide is running high and the wind is blowing strong. We'll drink a toast to sunset and sing another song. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn. Yeah, we'll drink a toast to sunset and sing another song. Tomorrow we'll be sailing with the dawn. Sailing with the dawn. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.